Hello, my dear students. The topic for today's class is report writing. This question is of 5 marks in your exam this year. Earlier it was of 10 marks, but this year it has been reduced to 5 marks because of corona crisis. So, what you will have to write in it and how you will get marks. There would be 1 mark for title, 2 marks for content, and 2 for expression. Let me tell you how to write an impressive report. And what is report? So, report is usually first hand information about an event, incident, program, or activity of past. Means you witnessed an event, an incident, a program, or an activity in past, and you just passed this information to other people. And how did you pass it? For the you prepared the report either for newspaper or for school magazine. So what is the difference between these two reports? If you're writing a report for a newspaper, you'll have to mention the city and date in the beginning while you are starting the report. But for magazine, you don't have to mention the name of the city, you will have to mention the name of the school for which you are writing this report. So you will have to keep it in your mind that whether you are writing for a newspaper or a magazine. This will be in your exam. The question will be clear whether you have to write for newspaper or for a magazine. And you will have to give a brief of account of what happened, why did it happen, when did it happen, where did it happen, and what was the influence or effect of that. If it was an event, you should express how people were influenced by it, and if it was an incident or accident, you will have to mention how people got affected by it, what kind of damage was there. So you will have to keep it in your mind while writing it, and it should be first hand information. First hand information means you have not collected it from some anyone else, means आपने किसी से सुनी सुनाई बातें मेंशन नहीं की है इसमें. You collected all the information yourself, you witnessed everything yourself, and what you witnessed you expressed, you gave it as a report to people. So if the report is about an incident, you will have to mention what happened, why it happened, when did it happen, how did it happen, and where. And you will have to mention how many people were involved, how many people were affected, what kind of scene was there, how many casualties were there, means how many deaths were there, how many people were injured. And you will have to mention whether they were admitted to hospital or not, means you will have to mention the name of the hospital also. What kind of announcements were made by the government officials, means how much compensation or what kind of inquiries did they order, and what kind of suggestion do you want to give here, means what should we learn from it. So if there is an eyewitness, you should mention that person's views also, what he or she noticed. So keep it in your mind. And if you are reporting about an event or a program, you should mention what kind of event or program it was, why was it organized, when was it organized, where was it organized, who was the chief guest, who were the guest of honor, and who was the judges spelling is wrong here, so you should correct it. What kind of activities were performed in that program, if there were any other programs like prize distribution, you should also mention that. And what was the message of the chief guest, and what of thanks by the president or the principal or the director, who else was doing this. And in the end you should express someone's view what kind of program it was, means there must be a comment by someone, so you should keep it in your mind. These things should be included in a good report. Now let me give you some examples. uh, Here is a report. A school celebrated its annual sports day. So you should mention it in the beginning. It should be in capital letters, so you will get 1 mark for this title. And not only this, you should mention who has prepared this report. If there is no name mentioned in the question, you should write by XYZ. But if there is a name in the question, you should mention that name. Now look at this. This report has been drafted for a school magazine, so there is no city mentioned here. Look at this, but date is mentioned. An annual sports day of Cambridge School, Noida was held on 12th November 2018 in the school's senior wing. So here you have got the answer of everything. Okay, what was happened, what was celebrated, when was it celebrated, and where was it celebrated. The enthusiasm of the students was apparent, as all of them participated in one event or the other. Santosh Yadav, the first woman in the world to scale Mount Everest twice, was invited to do the honors as chief guest. So it is clearly mentioned who was the chief guest. The headmistress Rupa Roy welcomed the guest and parents. So she was the headmistress Rupa Roy. She welcomed chief guest as well as parents. So this is the first paragraph. In this first paragraph, you have given the introduction of the program. But in second program, the day began with the second paragraph. The day began with the traditional march past, which was followed by the band display and release of the colorful balloons. Those sports events made up the bulk of the activities. A few wonderful dance performances won the hearts of the audience. So there were some dance performances also. The special attraction was the Naga dance by the students of Standard 12th. The other highlights of the day were the yoga drill by Standard 10th, aerobics 7th Standard, karate display, sack race, and a lemon and spoon race. So these were the activities. You have mentioned it in the second paragraph with what kind of activities were performed. Means sports के साथ साथ other activities were also performed, and they were the main attraction for the audience. The grand finale of the day was the Rajasthani dance with foot tapping music. Means audience were tapping their foot because of the music. Performed by students of standard 6th and 5th. Chief guest Santosh Yadav gave away the prizes to the winners of the sports events. Means you have also mentioned here who gave the prizes. Chief guest. In her speech, the she emphasized the importance of games and sports in the school life. So this was the message of chief guest. She felt that parents and teachers should encourage students to take an active part in sports. So it should be kept in mind by the parents and teachers that students get a lot of encouragement for participating in games. The function came to an end with a vote of thanks by the principal, Colonel S.N.S. Rawat, who applauded the students. So, who proposed the vote of thanks? It is mentioned here. Efforts. He applauded the students' efforts and thanked the guest of making the function success. In this way, you should write a report. You should mention all the necessary details. Let me give you one more example. This is the second example I want to give you. Teen killed in mishap and in a mishappening. So this is the title. It is a catchy title. There is something more written here. You should not. It is your choice whether you have to write it or not. The third incident in recent past that has claimed the life of a youth. It is like generally we see such kind of reports in newspaper. Jim Day, staff reporter. So who has written this report? Jim Day, staff reporter. You can mention by also here. Look at this. This report is for a newspaper. This is the name of the city, date. You should mention it. First of all, name of the city, comma, then date. A 16-year-old boy was killed, and you should keep it in your mind that report should be in passive voice. It should be in past tense and passive voice. A 16-year-old boy was killed while his friend had a narrow escape after a car hit their motorcycle near Andhra Hostel on the railway road yesterday evening. The deceased means the person who died has been identified as Venkat Rao, a resident of New Karnal Township. So this is the first paragraph, first introduction means क्या हुआ है उसके बारे में हम आपको पता लग गया कहाँ हुआ है and who were involved. Two boys were involved, one died and other was there is not mentioned whether he was critical or not. एक्सीडेंट मोटरसाइकिल और कार के बीच में हुआ. सो यू हैव गॉट इट. कब हुआ है, कहाँ हुआ है, यू हैव गॉट ऑल द इंफॉर्मेशन. द मिसहैप टुक प्लेस व्हेन अ कार फेल टू negotiate a sharp curve and rammed into the motorcycle the victim was riding. The car driver fled from the spot, leaving his vehicle behind. The injured pillion rider means जो पीछे बैठा हुआ था, has been admitted to NTR hospital. So you have mentioned कि उसको हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कर दिया गया है. पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर नागेश्वर राव says a case has been registered against the car driver and police parties are out in search of him. Means ये कोई ऐसी दुर्घटना नहीं है जिसमें अर्थक्वेक आ गया है या कोई बहुत बड़ा कुछ हो गया है, जैसे कि फायर ब्रेकआउट हो गई है. अगर ऐसा होता तो गवर्नमेंट में इन्वॉल्व की जाती. गवर्नमेंट ने कॉम्पनसेशन अनाउंस किया है. यहाँ पर कोई ना कोई ऑफिशियल है जिसको आपने मेंशन किया एंड में कि उसने अपनी जो ड्यूटी थी वो पूरी की है यहाँ पर आकर के, और उसने सर्च जो है वो करनी स्टार्ट कर दी है उस पर्सन के लिए जो इन्वॉल्व था उसमें. दिस इज़ द थर्ड accident in the recent past that has claimed the life of a youth. Inspector Rao expressed his concern at growing trend of driving by minors. So here कमेंट भी दे दिया इंस्पेक्टर की तरफ से. माइनर्स जो ड्राइव करते हैं मींस जो किशोर हैं वो ड्राइविंग करते हैं, दैम डेफिनेटली बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे आर नॉट सो एक्सपर्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दीज एक्सीडेंट्स आर occurring. So in this report we have got the first hand information. It means that you were standing there while you prepared your report, you witnessed everything, you checked everything, and you then passed it to the newspaper. So in this way you have to write a report. If you are writing for a newspaper you should mention the city and date here, and if you are writing for a magazine you should not mention the city but you should mention the name of the school. So this is how you have to write reports. You will have to read some more examples to make yourself perfect in this, and this question will be of 5 marks in the exam. 1 mark for title and who has written it, this is for 1 mark. You should follow the format. 2 marks for your content means what you have written in it, कितने अच्छे से आपने डिटेल्स को दिया है, इसके 2 मार्क्स मिलेंगे आपको. एंड योर एक्सप्रेशन हाउ यू हैव यूज्ड मीन्स आपने पैसिव वॉइस यूज किया है, पास्ट टेंस यूज किया है, आपका ग्रामेटिकली आप कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, इसके भी आपको 2 मार्क्स मिलेंगे. सो इन दिस वे यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 5 marks for this question. So be careful, prepare yourself, read some more examples to be perfect in this, and I think you have got it. If you still have any doubt you can comment. Okay students, we are going to do something else in the next class from writing section. Till then, take care. Goodbye.